We're going to play, every time I touch it, you say it, okay? All right. Get ready. Good. Next sound. Get ready. This sound is I. Next sound, it's a quick sound. Think big. Get ready. B. Yes, this sound is B. Next sound. Get ready. P. Yes, this sound is P. Next sound, another quick sound. Think big. Get ready. K. Yes, this sound is K. Good. Keep it up. Another quick sound. Think big. D. Yes, this sound is D. Next sound. Get ready. This sound is A. Good. Next sound. Think big. Remember, it has the little hat on it. Think big. Get ready. Yes, this sound is I. Good. Awesome job saying the sounds. That's 3 points for you all. Remember, 10 points and we do a celebration, my loves. All right, now this time, let's go ahead and let's try saying them again. But this time, I'm going to cross them out, okay? Let me erase this. All right, boys and girls. First sound, get ready. Yes, this sound is ing. What do we say? Goodbye, ing. Next sound, get ready. Yes, this sound is I. What do we say? Goodbye, I. Next sound, think big, it's a quick one. Get ready. Yes, B. What do we say? Goodbye, B. Next sound, it's a long sound, boys and girls. Think big. Get ready. Yes, this sound is Eh. What do we say? Goodbye, eh. Next sound. Get ready. Yes, D. What do we say? Goodbye, D. Next sound. Remember, it has the little hat on it. Get ready. Yes, this sound is I. Good. What do we say? Goodbye, I. Next sound. Get ready. Yes. P. What do we say? Goodbye. P. P. Next sound. Get ready. K. Yes, this sound is K. What do we say? Goodbye. K. Wow, awesome job. Y'all are so smart. Good job, boys and girls. All right, let's go ahead and let's move forward. And now it is time to shine, shine, wiggly shine. Let me have Ariana. Ariana, come off mute. In 3, 2, and 1. All right, Ariana. When I touch it, you say it. Get ready. Good. This sound is eh. Good job. Crossing it out. Next sound. Get ready. Yes, this sound is P. Good. Next sound. Get ready. Yes, B. Good job, Ariana. Awesome job. 2 points for you. Let me have Abel. Abel, come off mute in 3, 2, and 1. All right, Abel, when I touch it, you say it. If you get them right, I'll cross them out. Get ready. Yes, this sound is D. Next sound. Oh, goodbye, D. Next sound. Get ready. Yes, this sound is I. Goodbye, I. Next sound. Get ready. Good. This sound is ing. Goodbye, ing. Next sound. Get ready. Good. This sound is I. Awesome job, Abel. Keep it up. Last one. Get ready. Good, Abel. This sound is K. Awesome job. Another 2 points. All right. Now, when I touch it, you say, all right? First sound. Get ready. Yes, this sound is good. Next sound, it's a quick one. I have 9 points. It's a quick one. Get ready. Yes, this sound is good. Next sound. Get ready. Yes, this sound is K. Good. Next sound. Think big. Get ready. Good. This sound is awesome. Next sound. Remember, don't get fooled. Get ready. Yes, this sound is good. Next sound. Don't get fooled. It has the little hat, my loves. Get ready. Yes, this sound is good. Next sound. Get ready. Yes, this sound is good. Last one. Think big. Get ready. Yes, I. Good job. Awesome job. That is 3 points. Guess what? We got 10 points, my loves. Let's go ahead and let's do a celebration. Let's go ahead and do the roller coaster. Everyone, put your seatbelts on. Put the seat down and woo! Awesome job. Snap, snap, snaps. Good job, my loves. All right, it is time to shine, shine, wiggly shine. Let me see. Let me call on Aaron. Aaron, come off mute in 3, 2, and 1. All right, Aaron, when I touch it, you say it. Get ready. Yes, this sound is awesome job. Next sound. Get ready. Yes, this sound is awesome job, Aaron. Kiss your brain. All right. Boys and girls, get ready to read this word the fast way. I have 12 points. All right, get ready to read this word the fast way. First word. Get ready. Yes, sleep. Next word. What word? Yes, bit. Next word. Move your mouths. What word? Yes, but. Next word. What word? Yes, big. Awesome job. Now, let's go ahead and let's do these again. But this time I'm going to go a little bit faster, but watch where I point. First word. What word? Big. Yes, big. Next word. What word? Yes, bit. Next word. What word? But. Yes, but. Next word. What word? Yes, sleep. Awesome job. 2 points. Way to go. Let me call on Ariana. Ariana, come off mute in 3, 2, and 1. All right, Ariana. Go ahead. Go ahead and read all these words the fast way, my love. First word. What word? Yes, sleep. Next word. What word? Yes, bit. Next word. What word? Yes, but. Next word. What word? Yes, big. Awesome job, Ariana. Kiss your brain, my love. All right. Now, we're going to sound out this word. Sound it out. Get ready. Yes, my turn. Bit. What word? Bit. Yes. Next word, sound it out. Get ready. Yes, tub. What word? Tub. Awesome. Now, we're going to sound out this word. Sound it out. Get ready. All right. Again, sound it out. Get ready. That's how we sound out the word. This is how we say the word walk. What word? Get ready. Yes, walk. Awesome job. Now, let's go ahead and sound out the word walk. Sound it out. Get ready. Yes. Walk. Remember, this is a special word. We sound it out different than how we say the word. So that's how you sound it out. Here's how we say the word. Walk. What word? Yes, this word is walk. Let's go for a walk. All right. Now, boys and girls, let's go ahead and sound out this word. Sound it out. Get ready. Yes. Talc. That's how we sound it out. Here's how we say the word talk. How do we say the word? Get ready. Yes. Talk. Now, you're going to sound out the word talk. Sound it out. Get ready. How do we say the word? Get ready. Yes, this word is talk. I'm talking to you now. All right. Sorry. All right, boys and girls. Oh, I had 12 points. All right, let's see if we can, now I'm going to cross this out. Let's go ahead and read this part the fast way. Get ready. Yes, talk.